Hey good people, welcome back to Balance by Design. Listen, when you're done eating your watermelon, don't throw those rinds away. Instead, make something delicious like watermelon rind preserves. And this is really easy to make, so I will leave the recipe in the description box below so that you can follow along with the video or make later. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Now, if you're not going to enjoy this right away, you can throw it into some canning jars and put it in a water bath for about 10 to 15 minutes. But that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Love y'all big. And as always, thanks for watching Balance by Design. Bye.